The Bobike Toddler Balance Bike BBT-001 is a high-quality balance bike designed to help children up to 4 years old learn the basics of balance and riding. Constructed from strong and durable carbon steel, the bike features an adjustable seat and enclosed non-slip wheels, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride for your child. The bike is easy to assemble, requiring only a few minutes and no sophisticated tools, making it convenient for busy parents. The versatile design allows for both indoor and outdoor use, providing endless fun for your child while also encouraging physical activity. With ASTM F963-11 and EN71 safety certifications, the bike features a 135-degree steering limit and fully enclosed wheels to prevent side falls and foot injuries. With a review score of 4.6 and 479 reviews, the Bobike Toddler Balance Bike BBT-001 is a popular and trusted choice for parents seeking a balance bike for their child.